Hello and welcome to another episode of Free Propaganda. Today we will be discussing Jesse Nix, criminal defense attorney of Utah, and his push of the hashtag Shoot the Cops campaign. Isn't that wonderful? This is Jesse Nix to the right of his Conyers and Nix attorneys at law firm here in Utah, and this is his post on Facebook. Video is essential to proving truth. Without these recordings, we would not be able to hear George Floyd and Eric Garner say, "I can't breathe," as policemen murder them. We would not be able to see how an unarmed Ahmaud Arbery was murdered while jogging. If Louisville police didn't turn off their body cameras, we would know who is responsible for the murder of Breonna Taylor. Now that paragraph, I really don't have a problem with. I know that there is a massive problem with police brutality, and I have my own personal experience of being harassed by police officers, being detained ever since I was a youth, several times in the back of a police car, wrongfully accused, and it really did not leave a good impression. I ended up going on a ride along with police officers in my early 20s, and the one that I was on the ride along with was fine. However, I overheard at a precinct building an older officer talking about beating up Mexicans. He was bragging about it. So I'm not blind to police brutality, and filming police I have no issue with whatsoever. I was even yelled at by a police officer not long ago, about 10 years ago. I did not know my rights, and he got in my face. I was filming an incident on the roadside. I was at a safe distance, a very safe distance, and the police walked all the way over to me, yelling at me, saying, "Turn that off. This ain't no Facebook. This ain't no YouTube." So I do know my rights now. Now, my problem with Jesse Nix is his awful, horrific, at best, choice of words. Hashtag shoot the cops because they are shooting at you. Hashtag shoot the cops to prove your innocence. Hashtag shoot the cops to prove the truth. Now, that is horrific. And lawyers choose words very carefully for a living. This is just a clever marketing campaign. Oh, yeah. Now, people in the industry of filming do use the word shoot. But in this instance, you would say film the cops. Now, this will trend most likely, and some idiot down the way will see it. It will get very popular, and I'm sure it will fuel the fire of shooting police officers. There are already several dead, given what is happening now. So at best, this is just a horrific choice of words. I think at worst, which is what I believe, is he knows what he's doing in choosing those terms. Now, of course, he's got the image there. Oh no, look, I meant shoot them with the video camera, not shoot them with bullets. No. Of course, why would you think that? You're awful. You're awful. You're the bad person. Right. Sure. And then he includes this video here of plenty of police brutality and violence being perpetuated and awful. This is just awful. Now, obviously, we know that there is a problem. Anybody that pays any attention to the news or has had any incident with police officers knows that there is a problem. However, Jesse Nix, a criminal attorney, is adding to the problem. He is adding to the problem. And so there's actually a campaign from change.org. This has been started. It has well over 1,300 signatures, well over 2,000 at this point, to remove him from the committee that chooses 3rd District Court judges in the state of Utah. Somebody who chooses words like this, as you may have recalled that quasi-plagiarized speech of 2007 of a presidential nominee. Just words? These aren't just words. These are inciting. This is inciting language. So let me know what you think. I'll put a link to the petition in the description below. What do you think? Am I overreacting? I certainly don't think so. Given that cops are being killed, there's one that was shot and killed not even a week ago here in Utah. Another one in Vegas, shot in the back of the head, and who knows how many others. I'm not remembering off the top of my head. If you would like more videos like this, click subscribe. I do upload a lot of political videos, and I try to put their own language in their own words. And this video required some description, but I would like to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And stay safe and have a good evening. Thank you for watching.